Atlas Copco gas and process multi-stage centrifugal compressors use integral gear technology, the industry's most compact and efficient turbocompressor design. Our integrally geared compressors are reliable, energy efficient, and specifically optimized to your demanding process requirements. By placing impellers on separate pinions, integrally geared compressors deliver multiple speed capability. Each compression stage runs at the optimum speed for high efficiency. The compressor's bull gear drives the main oil loop pump, providing adequate lubrication to the bearings and gears. The compression process begins with gas entering through adjustable inlet guide vanes, or IGVs. This technology is standard on most Atlas Copco gas and process compressors. The IGVs regulate the flow that is sent into the machine, providing accurate process control. With IGVs, compressor efficiency can be increased by at least 9% versus other inlet assemblies. Our impellers, available in open or closed configurations, impart kinetic energy to the gas. The kinetic energy is turned into pressure in the diffuser, and then the volute. This part of the process causes gas temperatures to rise along with the compression level. To improve compression efficiency, interstage cooling can be easily accommodated between any of the compressor stages. Atlas Copco Gas and Process offers a range of intercoolers that are precisely matched to process requirements and meet all relevant international standards. In the configuration shown, water coolers are available in either water in the shell, gas in the tube, or gas in the shell, water in the tube designs. Radial tilted pad bearings support the high-speed rotors, eliminating almost all vibration while providing superior stability and smooth rotation. Depending on the application, this can be a combination of radial and thrust bearings. The bull gear shaft rotates on multi-lobe sleeve bearings. Compressor sealing options may include dry gas seals, floating carbon ring seals, and labyrinth seals in various combinations and arrangements. Our range on integrally geared compressors is used in a variety of industries, and our compressors can be customized to specific process requirements. As the name suggests, all compressor stages of integrally geared compressors are mounted on a single gearbox. Thanks to their rotor and aerodynamic design, along with intercooling capability, integrally geared compressors can be as much as 15% more efficient than other rotary compressors. To enhance performance, a number of other features are available, such as variable diffuser guide vanes or DGVs, which can be added to complement impeller aerodynamics. Adjustable DGVs enable larger turndown, which ultimately results in wider process control without impairing efficiency. An ideal mix that is increasingly required by process engineers. Both variable inlet and diffuser guide vanes provide stable compressor operation over a wide range of conditions at a constant discharge pressure. To control gas temperatures during compression in situations where cooling water is not easily accessible, an air-cooled version of our compressors is available. For applications where processed gas leakage is restricted, or when processed gas needs to remain within the system, our integrally geared compressors can be built with dynamic dry gas seals. These seals can be supplied in single, double, or tandem arrangements depending on the application. In fact, Atlas Copco Gas and Process was the first compressor manufacturer to implement dry gas seals on integrally geared compressors. Superior efficiency, over 99% reliability and availability, packaged on a small, single-skid footprint. Atlas Copco Gas and Process integrally geared compressors give your process the extra edge in a variety of applications across many industries.